Hi everyone, this is Jack from Maths Forge, and in today's lesson we're going to be doing fraction of a number. So let's take a look at our first example. We're being asked to find 3 over 4 of 20, 3/4 of 20. How you approach this question is as follows. You write your fraction out and you multiply it by 20. So this word of can be translated mathematically to a multiplication symbol. And so you have two choices here. You can either carry out this calculation normally, so do 20 over 1, do 3 times 20, which is 60, and 4 times 1, which is 4, and then do 60 divided by 4, which is 15. And if we check our answer, there it is. There is another way to actually answer this question. If you do 3 over 4 of 20, you can do the following. You have a choice. You can multiply the 3 by the 20 first, and then divide by the 4. Or you can divide the 20 by the 4 first and then multiply it by the 3. Whichever one is easier for you is the one that you should do. So actually for this question, it would have been easier for me to do 20 divided by 4 first, because 20 divided by 4 is 5, and then multiply the 3 afterwards, which of course gives us 15, which is the answer. We'll do a 2-star question now. So here we're being asked to calculate 1/4 or a quarter of 48. Well, in this case, multiplying by the 1 doesn't really do anything, so I'm just going to divide by the 4 straight away. And 48 divided by 4 is 12, and then we multiply the 1 onto it afterwards, which leaves us with 12. And if we check our answer, there it is. We'll do another 2-star example. Here we're being asked to find 5 over 13 of 143. Now for this example, it's definitely easier to divide by the 13 first rather than multiply by the 5 first, then divide by the 13. So we're going to do 143 divided by 13, and let's see what this gets us. 13 goes into 1, 0 times, so we'll carry this over to the 4, it will make it 14. 13 goes into 14 once with a remainder of 1, and then 13 goes into 13 once, so that's 11. So 143 divided by 13 is 11. And then we multiply the 5 onto it. And of course, 5 times 11 is 55. And if we check our answer, there it is. Now we'll do a 3-star example. We're being asked to find 3/9 of 153. Now for the 3-star examples, the numbers in the fractions appear to be larger, but there's a nice way to solve this. 3 over 9 can actually be simplified by finding the largest number to divide into 3 and into 9. And the largest number we can divide into 3 and into 9 is 3. So I'm going to divide top and bottom of the fraction. I'm going to simplify the fraction first, and this is going to give us 1 over 3, 1/3. And then finding 3/9 of 153 is exactly the same as finding 1/3 of 153. 3/9 and 1/3 are equivalent fractions, so they hold the same value. However, 1/3 of 153 is easier to calculate. So now I'm going to go ahead and do 153 divided by 3. So I'm going to take this to the side and use short division, 153. 3 goes into 1, 0 times. Cross this off and carry it over. 3 goes into 15 5 times with no remainder. And then finally 3 goes into 3 once. So 153 divided by 3 is 51. And then we're multiplying it with a 1, which gives us 51 as a final answer. And if we check our answer, there it is. And that's it for the lesson on finding a fraction of a number.